deafness means also the complete knowledge about this divine power, how to handle it, how to work it out, and how to use it. By awakening of this Kundalini as a byproduct, you get your physical health. I've said many a times that cancer cannot be cured by anything else but by the Kundalini awakening. Yesterday I explained to you how cancer is caused and how Kundalini clears it out. Most of your diseases come because the centers are out of gear. They have broken their relationship with the whole, or maybe that there's something lacking in the centers. When the Kundalini rises, she only nourishes them so well that with that nourishment, all these centers, your mental, physical, emotional centers get completely satisfied.
नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुजानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्द
सरळ घ्यायचंय सरळ सरळ असेल जमत तर बघून घ्या.